Hey guys, William Jummy here. So as promised, we already made a basic search, a full search app. As you can see, we can show you here. Okay. So where's the cursor? So yeah, we can search and we can say Apple and then we can search. It's just a basic searchable functionality. But let's do. We're going to make it even more interesting. So what I'm going to do is to okay, I think I'm going to make a multi-view. Okay, so you got a search view, right? So what I'm going to do is to add n, okay, and add another view, and that view will be a better search view. Okay, so yeah, better search. Okay, as the name suggests, it's a better search view. But first, we are going to solve one problem. Because we got like two view. If we run this app, okay, let me show you. If you run this app, it will just automatically go to the default view, which would be just the how to say content view, right? Content view.swift. So it's just a hello world. This doesn't say a lot of things, so we have to make it like a sort of a router, so we can route different view according to the different like a tab, something like that. So we're going to make exactly that. So it's just a nicer way to make demonstrations. So what I'm going to do is go back to the content view, because that is the default view that show to our viewer. I'm going to combine these two views together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use a state variable private var just to make it like a storage. Okay, so make it store the thing, and that will be our selected thing. So I'm going to say selected demonstration, selected demo. That's good, right? Okay, select demo, and it's depending on whether it's 0 or maybe 0 and 1, just make a different tag so I can select different things. So let me show you. We got a body, we got a V stack. Yeah, I think instead of V stack, I'm going to make a navigation stack. So bear with me, navigation stack. So navigation stack, according to the navigation stack, according to the tag, I'm going to make a picker. Okay, so you can pick things, and I'm going to say this picker will select views. Okay, select views, and it will give me a selection of. Remember, we got the binding here, so just passing the select to the demo, select the demo, and that will give me. Okay, I'm going to just get rid of the right side because I don't want it right now. I just will focus on the code. I'm going to make multiple tags. So this text will be our basic generic search. Okay, and I'm going to give it the tag 0. Okay, so the default will just fall to the default tag 0 here, and then let me add another tag. Well, that will give you a like a better search. Okay, because I named it like a better search view, so I'm going to go with a better search and tag. Let me say it's the 1. Okay, and we can have a different picker style. My favorite is a non-inclusive segmented. So basically, it's like a segment that you can like float here, float here, float here. Okay, and in order to make it look a little bit nicer, a little bit padding. And then I can say if the selected demo equals to 0, okay, I'm going to show you the search view right here. So search view, show it. Else, I'm going to show you another. I call it better search view. Better search view. Okay, initialize it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much cover everything. Okay, so because we already modified the content view, right now let's run this and look at the simulator to see whether it got changed or not. Okay, so just to wait and see. The default is 0, so just go to the 0 tab. So we got this view here. Okay, so basic search. Also, we can search to better search. Okay, the basic search, yeah, we got this like the top search bar. Yeah, pretty good. But if you switch to better search right now, the better search does not have anything, so it will just show hello world, which is good. Yeah. So yeah, we're already finished with the sort of a routing, and we used a segment control to do that. And in the next video, we're going to solve the better search view problem. Okay. And I think maybe I need 1 or 2 videos for that. I tend to make my video bite-sized so you guys can just focus on one topic in one video. Okay, thanks, bye.